Another good hit. It's a high signal. It's a high signal, so about 2 inches in the ground. So it's right there on the surface. So let's see. Really enjoy doing this a lot, especially when I find good stuff, you know. I mean, any find for me is anything, you know. Hey, I'm happy with anything, mate. I could find a bottle top and be satisfied. So got that. Let's see. Wait, what is this? What is this? This looks like a car. It is a car. This is a car. This is a truck. Oh, G.I. Joe army truck. Still in good condition too. Still in good condition. Might clean that up. Wheel looks like it's about to fall off, but hey, on to the next one.